Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Sony AX7. Now this is a portable theater system. You can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one is $500. Alright, so let's go through the specs real quick. Now this is Bluetooth version 5.3. The codecs is SBC and AAC. Now this supports Multipoint Connection. That means you can pair two devices at the same time. Now you're getting 360-degree spatial sound mapping. We'll talk more about that in a minute. You got 4 speakers, 2 front speakers, and 2 passive radiators, which are X-balanced. Now the battery life on this is 30 hours on a single charge, and it has fast charge. So 10 minutes of charge will give you 150 minutes worth of playtime. You got a built-in speakerphone for hands-free phone calls. You got the Sony app to let you customize your settings, and the speaker weighs around 4.5 pounds. Alright, so all of that for $500. Let's see what it is. Now before I unbox it, let's take a look at this product video just so you get an idea of how this is supposed to be used. Alright, so you've seen the video for yourself. This is a portable surround sound system. Now, if you travel like me, you're going to love this. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my white.
calm down. Okay, here we go. Sony AX7. Now, this is the plastic-free presentation. Let's go ahead and pop this open. Okay, here it is. Okay, so inside, you get the plug. Okay, standard plug. This is going to be USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. Shoes, inspect that for quality. That's pretty much it on that. Here's your 2 satellite speakers. And here's the AX7. Let's see anything else in here, of course. Got your usual books and shit. Plug them and follow them. Okay. Now the speaker itself, fresh out of the box, I will say this, it's definitely under 5 pounds. Okay, now this could definitely fit right in your travel bag. These speakers are going to charge wirelessly right on the top. You see the coils, but you can also power them on and off individually. Why is that important? If you travel, okay, you don't want to have this in your bag like this and the speakers get loose and connect to your phone. Don't do that. All right, save the battery, turn these off. Travel like this. Let's see now, on the front of the speaker, actually all the way around the speaker, you got this nice fabric cloth material. I like that. Same thing on the satellites. Matter of fact, let's do the smell test on this one. Smells like 360-degree spatial sound mapping. Now, all jokes aside though, let's see. Yeah, these just fit right on the top. Now, for the pairing process, real simple. If you got an Android phone, once you power up the speaker, you're going to get the Google Fast Pair pop-up, hit connect. It's going to ask you to download the Sony app. Once you download it, hit start setup. Now, if you got an iPhone, just go to your Bluetooth settings, select the Sony AX7, and then download the app. All right, so one quick side note. If you want to experience the spatial sound, this is the best way to set up the speakers. You're going to have the unit in front of you and the 2 satellites on either side. And you're going to create this little bubble. Now, for the purpose of this video, it's going to be hard for me to actually demonstrate that on camera, but I'll try to make it work. All right, so once you get everything set up, here's how the app is going to look. That has the name on the top. It has your battery percentage for the front, the left, and the right. It shows what device you're connected to. You got your different modes, so you can switch between night mode, sound field, or voice mode. You can raise or lower the volume from the rear and the bass, and you got some more settings. So you got Bluetooth settings, system settings, software update, tutorial, and help. Okay, now of course, y'all know I got to get maximum bass. But for the first test, we'll start off at 0. All right, so now let's do a little sound test. Of course, I got the official Flossy Carter sound test by my homeboy Mark Rubier. Here we go.
Yo, sound test, time for sound test. Everybody shut your mouth, time for sound test. Time to test that quality of sound test. How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound now? How's it sound now? Does it sound big? Does it sound loud?
How's the bass, baby? How's the treble on it? How's it sound now? How's it sound now?
That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. Sound test. That's a sound test, baby. That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. How's the sound on that shit? God damn it, holla.
Okay, now this actually sounds pretty good, but here's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take it over to the EQ, and we're going to go to maximum bass. Okay, so let's try that again.
Yo, sound test, time for sound test. Everybody shut your mouth, time for sound test. Time to test that quality of sound test. How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound now? How's it sound now? Does it sound big? Does it sound loud?
How's the bass, baby? How's the treble on it? How's it sound now? How's it sound now?
That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. Sound test. That's a sound test, baby. That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. How's the sound on that shit? God damn it, holla. How's the sound, white shoes? How's the sound on it?
Ladies and gentlemen, Mark Rubier. This sounds dope. Now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this upstairs and set it up in my office and try the 360 spatial sound mapping. But just real quick down here, let's take these off. Okay, you see, sound field activated. Let's try that one more time and see if we hear any difference.
Yo, sound test, time for sound test. Everybody shut your mouth, time for sound test. Time to test that quality of sound test. How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound now? How's it sound now? Does it sound big? Does it sound loud?
How's the bass, baby? How's the
this is crazy.
treble on it? How's it sound now? How's it sound now?
That's a sound test.
This is crazy. Let me show you what I did now. Again, it's going to be hard to really give you this full experience through a YouTube video, but I put the speakers behind me. Okay, behind me, lower than my shoulders. Okay, behind me. It's hard to explain this, but I'll put them like this. The satellite speakers give you the highs. Okay, so it did create kind of like a 360 sound field around me. It's hard to explain, but it sounds dope. It definitely sounds like surround sound. Now I want to try something else. All right, now I'm going to take these upstairs and try to give you a better look of how I'm setting it up. But down here in my basement, here's what I'm going to do. So I got a YouTube video right here. Got the speaker set up right here. I'm going to put each satellite speaker behind me, I would say about 3 feet. Okay, one behind each side of me in a triangular shape. Okay, so kind of like a little bubble right now. Let's hit play on the video. I'm going to lean back and give y'all my honest impression of how this sounds.
Okay, we made it. We made it. Okay, guys. So it's dark.
Okay.
We're gonna have to turn the flash on when we start like really getting into it. But we're at
Yo,
Rocco's.
this is dope.
This is my dad.
Y'all know what it is. Big Floss in the building.
Oh no. Anyway, what are you drinking?
I had a little.
Oh, that's ice.
Yeah, I had a little raspberry margarita, but
Let me grab the speakers again. Some videos on YouTube are not going to do the product justice, and this is one of those, okay? You can't hear surround sound through a YouTube video. But I'm going to give you my impression of these. I love them, okay? Now, I travel a lot. Imagine in your hotel room, you have this at the edge of your bed, and one side, on one of these on each side of the nightstands. This is going to sound dope. Now, the 2 satellite speakers, I got them on max volume. They're not the loudest in the world, but it gives you the highs and the mids. So it kind of focuses on the voices, and it gives you that surround sound effect. I am feeling these, though. This is a great idea. And if you travel, look how easy these are. You see the little lights? Charge up the satellite speakers. Now, if I want to, I can watch the video just like this.
Was it good?
what do you think?
Well, it's empty, exactly.
Okay? Then,
Right, so I got a nice little salad going on with some.
yo, this
pepper
is
on
dope.
top.
This is
What
dope.
you got?
I got the sizzling bacon.
One piece of bacon. That's absolutely
Because I'm a
ridiculous.
fatty.
Bro, this is so dope. This is dope. Now, I want to check one more feature real quick before I set them up upstairs. All right, so let's check Multipoint Connection. We got 2 different phones paired up. We got an Android phone and an iPhone. We'll start with the Android.
Oh, it's actually good though.
Cut it out. We're still at dinner.
Okay.
So I did
Now the iPhone.
Know how to look.
the light on. Say less.
Oh, wait a minute. This might work.
Okay.
It's kind of.
Multipoint Connection works flawlessly. All right, so here's how it looks set up in the office. That's the main unit right there. Then I got a satellite on this side and a satellite on this side. Now it's going to be hard to hear in this camera, but listen to this.
Let me zoom in. All right, so I'm sitting here on the Catalina Island, right off the coast of LA. Let's walk around and check out this beautiful city before it gets too dark.
This sounds incredible. Let's hit pause. Surround sound, portable. This is incredible. All right, so let's check the call quality. I'm calling up Amaya. Let's get maximum volume.
Hello.
Hi, girlie.
Hello, Father.
What's up? What you doing?
Remember church?
Oh, you at church? Man.
I hate you so much.
All right, don't let me interfere with you, but I do got to ask you a question. All right, I'm testing out a new speaker.
Okay.
I'm using the speakerphone. How do I sound?
You sound good.
Okay, not like that trash from yesterday.
Huh?
Not like that trash from yesterday.
No.
Okay, it's kind of loud in that church. Who that? Kirk Franklin yet?
You're annoying. We're getting food now. You're so annoying.
Oh, okay. All right. Man, I'll talk to you in a little bit.
You're annoying. All right, bye.
Bye. Okay, speakerphone on deck. Again, perfect for travel. When you're doing your work, watching your videos, you get a phone call, you can answer it from your phone or just press the button right there. Enjoy that speakerphone. Now, you can also use the speaker to charge up other devices. So say I want to charge up my phone, we're just going to grab a cable, plug it in, charging right up. All right, so one quick thing I want to mention, I love how easy this is to use. When you're playing your video, all you have to do, if you want surround sound, is take off the speakers, and they'll automatically connect. Now watch this. Say I'm watching the video, using the speaker as one unit. When I pop these off, they automatically connect just that fast. And now I'm getting my surround sound. Now if I just want to blast music from one speaker, put them back on the top, you're going to see the 2 little LEDs kick in. That means they're charging up, and it's one unit again. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Sony AX7 a major go. I love this speaker. It looks so classy and beautiful. The sound quality is excellent. The highs, lows, mids, everything is there. The 3D spatial sound mapping actually works. I used it on Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime, HBO Max, all of my shows, and it gave me that 3D surround sound effect. I love this. If you travel, this is going to be a godsend, okay? 30 hours battery life, individual power buttons for the satellites, wireless charge, built-in speakerphone, this is a go. Now, I know somebody's going to say there's no optical input, but you got to remember, this is not going to replace your big, giant sound bar at home. Now, if you got an 85-inch TV, would I recommend buying this for that? No. This is perfect for laptops, okay, tablets, phones, small TVs. If you live in a small apartment or you got a small room and you don't want to make a lot of noise in the middle of the night, this is going to be perfect for watching the movies, okay? But if you got a big 85-inch TV and you want crazy sound, get a real sound bar with some big subwoofers. That's going to be way better. This is the perfect portable theater system. Anyway, Sony AX7, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.